Parents and children, today we will discuss about identification of sounds. Sounds कैसा आता है different letters. Actually in English 46 sounds. How many phonetic sounds? Actually there are 46 sounds in English. But at this level, at the second class level, they should understand at least 26 sounds of and 26 letters. Today we will discuss only about 3 letters and its sounds. Okay. First one, a. Actually, this is pronounced as a. Between a that sound comes. How to pronounce it? We have to open our mouth wide like this. Like this, wide we have to open, and tongue should be at the lower level, like this. Tongue should be at the lower level, and you have to blow the air. We will practice once again. Like this, sound comes like this, and we have to pronounce like this. Apple, apple, not apple. Apple, apple. And see my mouth, and aeroplane, aeroplane. Like this we have to pronounce a sound by opening our mouth. मुंह खोल के बोलना है ओ, ए नहीं, ये sound आता नहीं. इससे क्या होता है? A sound. A sound comes from the letter A. So you should remember opening the mouth and touching our tongue to the lower part of the teeth, behind the lower of the teeth, and we should blow the air. Air should be puffed out. That means we should blow the air. Bahar. For example, once again I repeat, like this we have to practice. And there is video also I will send. Then apple and aeroplane. Next, second one is B. But it is very simple. You have to press our lips. दबाना like this and air blow ಮತ್ತೆ ಹವಾನ ಬಾಹರ್ ನಿಕಾಲना like this. Okay, simple. Ball, bat, like this you have to do. Then C sound, k sound आता है, k hard sound. This is, and hold your tongue at back of the lower teeth. ಲೋವರ್ ಟೀತ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಲೋವರ್ ಟೀತ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟಚ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಟೀತಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಟಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಏದಲ್ಲಿ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟಚಸ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೀತ್ and we have to puff the air out. For example, like this. Open, wide open. It is not like this. So difference we have to remember. Then how to pronounce cat, cow, like this you have to practice it. Okay, once again I will repeat the sound a, b and k. So remember it and practice it many times, and after many times practice they will catch the sounds. Okay, do it and practice it to your children at your home.